Alright guys, just started fishing a buzzbait. It's about 5:30. Haven't been getting bit all day, and this 2.5 pounder just came and nailed it. Whew. This is a nice fish right here, man. I mean, wow. So we're gonna get the release and keep buzzbait fishing, because that's all that's working for us right now.
Come with me now.
Alright, just drop shotting, you know. Hadn't got much on the drop shot, but we came back to it with the Morning Dawn worm. Got this little guy, very subtle bite. We're throwing back now. Bigger than the last one.
I'm thinking that might be a 3. Alright guys, just throwing the buzzbait again. Throwing it down this bank here. This 3 pounder just came and nailed it. Wow. This is a nice fish. I mean, I didn't think anything could top that last fish, but this thing is just a pig. The pigs are coming out to eat the buzzbait. We're gonna get the release.
Trunk. She got a see you later song going bump, bump, bump. She got a hurting heavy heart going thump, thump, thump. She's leaving. She got a bucket of tears going drop, drip, drop. And that ring on her finger's coming off, off, off. She got a boyfriend yelling to stop, stop, stop. She's leaving. Should've done this, should've done that. Should've seen it coming. Guess you don't see nothing when you're running round. She's his straight left in a little ray.
Yeah guys, we moved down here in this little cove, and I was throwing the drop shot trying to get that dead thing out there, try to figure out what it was. And this thing will just slammed it, put up a good fight. We weighed it 1.5 pounds. We'll get the release here on the GoPro.